Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our continuous class for chapter 4, recording of the transactions, as we had ended in the previous sessions regarding the accounts or the books of purchase books, then sales books, purchase return, sales return, and as well as the cash book, double column cash book, as we had completed in the previous sessions. So now, after that concept, the remaining part is what about we are going to discuss is the ledger accounts for the continuation of the same illustration what we are solving from last two sessions. Yes, almost due to the restrictions of our time, we require more sessions for that. Only for one big illustration, as we have taken, we required nearly 3 sessions, I think so, to complete that. So I will try my best. So let's get started with this ledger accounts, and as fast we can end up with this. Keep in mind, we are balancing the accounts. The concept what we are dealing is balancing the accounts. Remember the things. So till now, the books of accounts what we were balanced it, the same ledger accounts also we are going to balance. So almost if you go for the illustration what we had solved, the first entry says that you should open a capital account. Commenced business with cash account already we have done, the cash book.
Yes, sir.
Then next comes with the capital ledger account. So ledger accounts with the capital account. So first, capital account. So what will be the entry and where we are going to maintain this? What was the
Sir,
entry for that?
credit side cash.
Credit side. So obviously when the cash comes in, the journal entry will be cash account data to capital account.
Capital
So
account.
here on the other side, as the date we can maintain here, year was 2014 or 17, it was December 1st. What we
Yes,
can
sir.
say here?
April, sir, April.
April, it is okay. April,
Yes, sir.
April 1st.
First.
What we can maintain here? Cash.
Sir,
Cash.
cash.
How much it was?
Sir, amount is 1 lakh.
1 lakh. So any of the entries there regarding this?
No, sir.
No entry. So what we are going to do, this we are going to balance this. Remember the point.
Yes, sir.
So as in the balancing of the account, what I told you, whichever the balance
Sir,
is there,
balance carry
at least
down.
when the new year starts, you are going to brought down by balance
Yes,
brought
sir.
down as we mentioned, and then when we are closing, carried down. So what will be the other
Yes,
side
sir.
entry? Balance
Sir, balance carry down.
carried down. So 2017 April 30,
April 30.
balance
Carried down.
carried down 1 lakh. Check it out, the tally this answer. See, this is what balancing what we call over here.
Yes, sir.
We have done the balancing for this. So
Yes,
this
sir.
gets end. First ledger account is ended. Now next one.
Sir, 6% loan account.
Which account you are going to open?
Sir, 6% loan account.
Okay, fine. So purchase account also you can open here. Then after that directly, if you want to go for loan account, okay, fine. 6% loan account.
Loan account.
Okay, 6% loan account. What will be the entry for this? What entry we
Sir,
had taken
credit
here?
side
What entry?
cash.
Cash account data to
Like loan account.
loan account. That is what. So where we are on the date, which is the date for it? April 5.
Sir, April 5.
April 5. So it is going to be cash.
Yes, sir.
6% loan.
Amount is 25,000.
25,000 loan it is.
Yes, sir.
25,000. No other entry for this.
No,
So
sir.
as usually the same balance carried down.
Yes, sir. April 30.
I'll make this column small. 25,000. Even this got completed, huh?
Yes, sir.
So next, which account you are going to make?
Sir, land account.
Mm, purchase the furniture purchase account separately we require. After that, 6% loan. Which entries we have taken after this? Randomly we'll take one by one. We require more of the accounts as we know that.
Yes, sir.
Tell me any of the one account.
Sir, land account.
If you want to go for land account, okay, you go for that. You'll go for land account. Okay. Land account.
Credit.
What
Debit side, sir. Cash.
on which day we had taken the things entry?
Sir, April 2.
April 2. Where it is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, furniture and land account. Okay, we are having two things for that. Furniture, purchase for cash furniture 6,000. Yes,
Yes, sir.
and land account is 42,000. So even
Yes, sir.
this land account will complete, and next we will go for the furniture account as well. How many entries are
Yes,
there for furniture account? Even you all have to find it out. So what was the entry for that? Land account debtor to
Sir.
cash account it is.
Yes, sir.
The entry for this is which is land is purchased. So asset is coming
sir.
in. So land account debtor to cash account it is.
Cash
Yes.
account. Yes, sir.
Cash. How much it is? 42,000.
Sir, 42,000.
42,000. So date is April 2.
April 2.
Okay, fine. So any of the adjustments are there about it? No.
No, sir.
No adjustments are there. So as usually balance
Carried down.
carry down 42,000.
Yes, sir.
You have to tally this answer as same
Yes,
what
sir.
we have done. Even these accounts get complete. So next, one more it was furniture, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now go and see in the question how many adjustments are there for the furniture. Furniture account. So almost the first entry comes for the furniture account is which one? It on
Sir,
April
April
2nd.
2.
April 2nd, 2000. So furniture account, the journal entry for that will be
Sir,
furniture account
6,000.
data to cash account
Cash
for the
account.
first. So as usually
Yes, sir.
on the date was how much? April 2.
Yes, sir.
Cash. How much rupees?
Yes. Sir, 6,000.
6,000 is cash. Okay. Any of the other entries there?
Furniture is also there, sir.
What?
Quality furniture.
Yes, yes. On 15th, purchased
Yes,
on
sir.
account furniture from Quality Furniture Limited, 8,000 rupees. That is
8,000.
purchase. So what we can call over
Yes.
here? Purchase
Sir,
account
debit
debtor or Quality
to-
Furniture.
Sir,
Furniture account debtor to Quality
to quality
Furniture.
furniture account.
Furniture account debtor to Quality Furniture account. It was
Furniture account.
15th,
Yes, sir.
15th.
8,000.
Yes, sir.
Get this tally. Or
Yes,
any
sir.
of the adjustment is there for this?
No, sir.
Only 2 points are there. That's it.
Yes, sir. So 14,000 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 14,000.
April 30 closing. Make that
Yes, sir.
14,000. 14,000.
Yes.
We are getting all answers tallied.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, which account you all will try to open?
Sir, Ramnik's account.
You want Ramnik's account? Okay. Ramnik's account. So what all entries are there? On which date it is?
Sir, April 7th sales.
April 7th sales. Even Buraris also is there.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are taking first the Ramnik only? Okay, let's go for that. So what was the entry for that Ramnik? It is a sales account dated to, okay,
Sales
Ramnik's account dated to sales account or
Sales
sales account
Yes,
dated to
sir.
Ramnik's account.
Sir, Ramnik's account debtor to sales account.
Okay,
Sales
fine.
account.
So as usually Ramnik's account, it is sales, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the entry? Ramnik's account dated
Sales
to
account
sales
dated
account.
to
So
Sales account.
sales will be taken over here. What is the amount?
Yes, sir.
Date is April
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 7th.
7th.
7th. Sales. How
Amount
much?
is 1,740.
1,740.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Sales first took place on the April. Okay, that is done. Then
Yes,
any of
sir.
the other entries is there for Ramnik?
Sir, April 10 sales return.
Okay, April 10 there is a sales return from Ramnik. What is the amount? Check it out
Yes, sir.
from the
440 it is.
the amount is 440. Yes. So sales return.
Yes, sir.
Done.
440.
Yes, 440 the sales return. Again, any of the adjustment is there for that?
Sir, April 20 sales.
This is April. Yes, yes, yes. We are having sales from Ramnik on account. That is what, 4 electric mixers, 6,000 rupees. Yes, on 20th.
Yes, sir. April 20.
Check it out. What is the amount for that?
Sir, 2,400.
2,400. Okay, fine. So
Sir, last it is April 21. Cash.
one more is there.
Yes, sir. That credit side.
Just a second.
April 21.
Yes, yes. 21. It has been told that 3,700 full settlement claimed.
Yes, sir.
21 April. So what is the adjustment over here? Cash
Sir, credit side cash.
3,700.
700.
1,700.
Check it out. The total for both
Sir, for 4,140.
4,140.
Yes,
Both
sir.
side it is the same.
Yes, sir.
How come?
4,000.
I need to know from you how come we got this answer tallied. No other adjustments for that balance carried down and all we are not having. Why we are not having that? Anyone know about the reason? What is the reason for this? How we got answer tallied without any balance carried?
No,
Yes? Don't know?
sir.
Yes,
No.
What was the entry said by them on 21st? 21st जो हम लोगों ने यहाँ लिया April 21st.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What was the entry?
Sir, cash.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Full settlement का मतलब क्या होता है? What we mean by the full settlement? Whatever the balance was there, it is settled
Yes,
up. So obviously
Yes,
it gets tallied, you know. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
You should know the reasons why we got both the answers tallied. So next, tell me,
Yes.
next account, which account we are going to remove next?
Sir, next sales account.
Sales account. Okay, fine. Sales account. So what is the sales account? Obviously here only for Ramnik.
Sir, April 23.
Ramnik is 23.
April
Yes.
23. Yes, sir.
April 23. You are saying Ramnik's April 23.
No, sir. It is of Newton.
So which now sales account we are going to remove, right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sales account, in the sales, what is the total for that amount?
Sir, 14,500.
14,500 we are having a sales in the cash
Yes,
book.
sir.
Go
Yes,
for the
sir.
cash book. How much it is? In cash book 23rd there is a sales 14,500, and one more in the sales book. What is the amount? Sundry amount for the sales. The total will
Sir,
be sundries 10,410. Two entries,
410.
only two entries we are having for that, for this
Yes,
sales
sir.
account. April 2017. April, what is the
23.
date for this?
20.
Sir, April 23.
23.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it is a cash
Cash.
sales
Yes, sir.
14,500.
500.
So on 30 of this month we are having
Yes, sir.
10,140.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10,410.
410.
410. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are sundries. Sundries means
Yes,
it is
sir.
a closing of that. Yes. So here
Yes,
we
Yes,
are
sir.
sir.
not having any other side entry. So here
No,
we
sir.
shall end with this part. Means
Yes, sir.
we can't make this carried down or any of the adjustment for this. So just we are having
Yes,
the
sir.
totaling of this.
So 24,910.
4,910.
Okay, done.
Yes,
So
sir.
this much is the entry for this. After this, any account which we can remove here?
Sir, stationery account.
Only single word entry. Give me only one single one entry account. सिर्फ single entry account
Sir,
बताओ मुझे अभी.
miscellaneous
The
expenses account.
miscellaneous expenses account.
Okay, I'll
Yes, sir.
take here. Only one entry means here it will get tallied. मतलब
Yes,
adjustment
sir.
हो जाए यहाँ पर. Whose birthday we are having today? Miscellaneous expenses account. What
Yes,
it
sir.
is?
Sir, April 5 cash.
Paid cartage. That only?
Yes, sir.
Paid
Yes,
cartage
sir.
rupees 80 and charges rupees 20. So 100
Yes,
rupees.
sir.
So it is a cash.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
April
Yes,
5.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? There is a cash rupees
Sir,
100.
100 rupees.
So even this got completed. Only this much only it is there. Just you can
Yes,
make
sir.
here answer tally. It is
Yes,
not
sir.
carried down. Just it is ending
No,
in.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
again, next
The
accounts.
stationery account.
Have we completed? We are having purchases also, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cash purchases also are there.
Yes, sir.
Then cash purchases. Then which all things are there one by one? You all have to tell now. Let's go one by one.
Yes, sir.
Now which account I should go? Purchase
Sir,
account. I'll go
purchase
for
account
purchase.
only.
Purchase account. So any of the opening entry on which date we are having the purchases?
Sir, to April 20, April 3, sir. April 3.
Paid a check to Malik and brothers purchase the electric wire and plugs 17,000, right? It is from bank.
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
was the
sir.
entry? Purchase account dated to bank account, right?
Bank account.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
here on date it is obviously
April
2017
3.
April
Sir.
3rd April the
Bank.
transaction took place, and it is bank.
Yes, sir.
So bank is how much? 17,000.
Sir, 17,000.
Yes, sir.
17,000. So first entry
So next,
got
April
completed.
11.
Just check out this one, our question. In that only you have to find it out and tell me the answers. Don't tell directly the answers, which if you are having the textbooks and all, don't go for that direct answers. Okay, so
Sir,
here it is
April.
on April 11 we are having purchase from
Yes, sir.
Rangta for cash.
Rangita for cash.
Yes, April.
Yes,
So
sir.
the amount is for 11. It is paid
Yes,
in
sir.
cash or bank?
So
Cash.
so
Sir,
cash.
given me a cash, sir.
Cash has been told here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In cash book we have taken the entry.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Purchase 225. It is amount is 225.
225. Sir, in cash we have written it.
Yes. May mention here cash 225.
Yes. 225.
Okay. So this got
The
completed.
next
Then
April
purchase, sorry,
30.
cash purchase from Hitesh 24th.
Yes, sir. April
5
24.
electric fans 740. 24th it is.
Yes, sir.
It is cash.
Cash.
What is the
Sir,
amount for that?
3,700.
3,700. Okay. Done. Then any of the other adjustments?
Sir, April 30. Sundries.
Sundries for purchase book. What is the sundries for purchase book? 40,410.
Yes, sir.
40,410. Sundries
Yes. Yes, sir.
on 30th. So even is there any other side entry for this? No.
No,
We are
sir.
No,
not
sir.
going to say here carry down or brought down any of the entries. Why? Because we are going to have it throughout the months,
Yes, sir.
year
Month.
entries. So it is been
Yes, sir.
not carried down or forwarded. Just you can make in the annual time entries. So just check it out. What will be the total for this?
61,000 335.
61,335. So till
Yes,
this answer completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay, next, which we can go
The
for next
stationery
entry.
account.
Here, remember one thing. We are having separate book for this purchase. For that purpose, we can't say here brought down, carry down these entries over here.
Yes, sir.
So next entry which you all will try to complete,
The stationery account.
stationery. Okay. Stationery account. What is the purchase for stationeries now here?
Sir, April 4. Purchase
Purchase
stationery
stationery for cash
for rupees
2,300.
2,300.
April 4th.
Yes, sir.
There is a cash purchase. Stationery account data
Yes,
to cash account. So what is the amount?
yes, sir. Sir, 2,300.
2,300. Okay, done. Any of the adjustments for it?
The next April 26. Purchase stationery on account from
Mohit
MS
Mart.
Mohit Mart.
Yes. On 26th, one more
3,200.
account took place.
Yes, sir.
26th. From whom it is? Mohit
Sir,
Mart.
Mohit
The
Mart.
Mohit Mark.
What is the amount?
Sir,
So
3,200.
3,200.
What will be the total for this?
Sir, total 5,500.
5,500.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, done. Even this got completed. So after this,
Sir, rent account.
you are going for rent account. Okay. So on which
Yes.
date the rent was paid?
Sir,
So on April
April
4,
4. Wait,
April
sir, wait.
4. Where is the rent?
Sir, April 11 is their paid rent by check.
Yes,
4,000.
April 11th. Paid
Yes, sir.
rent 11th.
By
4,000
check,
rupees, right? So
4,000.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will make here the adjustments. Rent account on April 11th.
Yes, sir.
April 11th. It is bank.
Bank.
We have paid it by check, means bank. What is the
Yes,
entry
sir.
for that?
So
4,000 rupees.
4,000.
So even we got completed with this.
Yes, sir.
We are not having any other adjustments. So even we are going to tally
Yes,
this
sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Total. Making out the total for this. Then next
The next advertisement account.
advertisement. Okay, fine. It is debit entry or credit entry?
Debited, sir.
Sir, debit entry.
Debited, sir.
Advertisement account. So debit entry
Yes,
only.
sir.
It is cash or bank. On which date?
By April 16, cash.
April
16.
16th. Cash. What is the
Cash.
cash amount?
So 1,200.
100.
No any of the adjustments for this, right?
No, sir.
So even here it will get end 1,200.
Yes, sir.
Done. So next,
The next electric charges account.
electricity charges.
Yes, sir. Electric charges account, sir.
Electricity charges account. So
Yes, sir.
what will be the entry for this?
Sir, April 25. Paid electric bill rupees 1,320.
Yes, paid electricity bill 1,320 it is. So it is
Yes, sir.
bank or cash?
Sir, cash.
Cash.
Cash, sir.
April
Cash.
25th. Cash 1,320.
1,320.
1,320.
Yes, sir.
No, again any of the adjustments for this.
No, sir.
Even this got completed. So any next
sir.
account?
So next, drawings account.
Okay, drawings account. Drawings.
So drawings account.
Yes,
Sir,
others are there or no in the class? I need to get answers from others as well. What about Deepika, Kritika,
Here.
Lakshmi, Prajwal, Jagdish, where are you? Here, drawings account. On which day we got the drawings from this?
Sir,
Sir, April 30.
April
It's
30.
at the end.
8,000 personal use.
Yes, sir.
Withdraw rupees 8,000 for personal use
For
on April
personal use.
30. So
Yes,
drawings
sir.
account dated to cash account it was. So
Yes,
April
sir.
30.
30.
What we can say here? Cash
Cash.
The cash.
8,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any adjustments for this? No adjustment.
No,
for
sir.
this.
No, sir.
The next telephone charges account.
Now still how many accounts has to be opened?
Till many are there.
Till now how much we have opened?
Sir, till 12 or 13 are remaining.
13 are completed. Still now 14
Yes, sir.
it is means still 10 are remaining.
Yes,
Now which
sir.
we are account? Telephone
Yes, sir.
Telephone charge.
charges account.
Tell me the entry for this.
Sir, April 30. Paid telephone bill to rupees 2,700 by check.
By check means bank.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much cash?
Yes,
2,700.
sir.
700.
So even we get tally for this
Yes, sir.
2,700. Okay, till here got completed. So this was the
Yes, sir.
14th entry, 14th ledger
Yes, sir.
account. So still we are having the ledger account. So next, what will be the ledger account which we are going to open? So shall I
The
get
insurance
started
account.
again from this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
It will look more dirty. The board will look. So tell me the which account we are going to remove next.
The insurance account.
Insurance.
Yes,
Only
sir.
single
Yes,
entry is
sir.
there for that.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Insurance.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Insurance.
Insurance account. See, if we get disconnected, remember one thing, you have to complete this remaining part. Okay.
Yes,
Insurance
sir.
on which date it is?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
April
April
30.
30 April. It is cash or
Paid
bank?
insurance.
Sir, bank.
'Sir,
1,600
bank.
Bank.
Thanks, sir.
What is the amount?
1,600.
Sir,
1,600.
1,600.
1,600.
Okay. No other entries means tally this.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So after this,
The next quality furniture account. Quality furniture account.
quality furniture account. So what
Yes,
entry we
sir.
are having for this?
Sir,
On which day
furniture
the transaction took place?
Sir, April 30.
30, sir.
Quality
Sir, April
furniture's
15.
15th.
Sir, April
Yes,
15.
sir. Yes.
15th. Yes, it is
Purchase on
15th.
account.
So
Yes, sir.
what was the
Sir,
entry for
credit
this?
side. Credit side.
For quality furniture
debit.
account dated to
Quality
furniture account. It
furniture
was
account. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It will come in the credit side only.
furniture. What was the amount here?
Yes, sir.
8,000.
Sir, 8,000.
1000, sir.
April 15th, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15.
Sir,
April 15th.
balance will
Next, here we are going to have the balance
carry down.
It down, sir.
carried down.
Yes.
It is 8,000. Tally this
Yes,
answer.
sir. So,
done.
next,
So after
Mohit
this-
Mart account.
Mohit account. Okay.
Yes, sir. Mohit Mart account.
Mohit Mart account.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the entry for this?
Sir, April 26 stationery.
It is stationery.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have purchased stationery from Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Purchase stationery on account from MS Mohit Mart 3,200.
What you said? It will be a debit or credit entry.
Sir,
Mohit.
debit. Credit, sir.
Stationery account dated to Mohit Mart account it was. So stationery.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stationery. How much cost it is?
3,200.
So 3,200.
200.
Yes,
Get tally this.
sir. April 26.
26th April.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then 30th balance
Balance carried down.
carried down. 3,200. Done. So after this,
Sir,
next
purchases return account.
The purchases return account.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
purchase return account. Okay, fine. What is the entry
Sir,
for that?
April 30.
Sundry
Sunrise.
sir.
Yes, sir.
30. What sundries?
Yes, sir. 632.
632.
2.
Yes, sir.
Only amount is this 632.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any need to tally this? One-sided
No,
tally
sir.
it is. We are not having carry down and all. One-sided
Yes,
tally
sir.
332. So next,
Sir, next Honda company account.
Honda company.
Yes, sir.
See, I may get disconnected in 2 minutes. See, if we are having any of the doubts, you can ask, or else directly you can complete this problem. It's just like
Yes.
now how we are passing out the accounts, that Honda company
Yes, sir.
company account.
Account.
What is the entry for this?
The purchase is April 4.
April 4 there was a purchase. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What it was? Purchase account dated to Honda company account, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. First one.
2,450.
Purchase is how much? 2000.
The
2,450.
2,450.
Okay. Any of the adjustments?
The next April 30
What it is?
bank. April 30 bank. Paid
What is
to
the
MS
bank? Tell me the entry for that.
Sir,
What entry it was?
2,000. Sir, April 30.
What was the entry? Adjustment. See, it was told paid to Honda company rupees 2,450, right?
2,450 by check.
Yes, by check.
Yes, sir.
So as usually bank we have taken over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes,
so
sir.
here we no need to say that answer means carry down or any of the adjustments is not there for this. So after this,
Yes,
one
sir.
more account which we can complete it. Tell me fast.
Sir, coacher account.
Which one?
Coacher account, sir.
Coacher's account.
Yes, sir.
Sir, purchase account.
So